back to another video. How are you guys all doing? If you are new here on my channel, hello, my name is Vanessa. I am so happy that you are here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you end this video. If you do enjoy today's video, I also do other makeup tutorials, reviews, and content related to makeup. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe right here so you join the fam. Today I'm going to be unboxing my February Boxycharm. This is the base box for Boxycharm. This is the lowest tier subscription. They do have 3 tiers, so it is available to different price points. But this is the base that I've been subscribed to for a very long time. So every month's box comes with a little theme card. This month's theme is, of course, Be My Galentine. Glamantine. That's cute. Like, get glam. And if you turn it around, it always has the description of each product and their retail value. So without getting ahead of myself, let's just jump into today's video. Okay, so first product I want to talk about is this mud mask. This is the detox mask by the brand Teami. So this is what the mask looks like. It has green tea, matcha, and lemongrass, and this retails for $29.99. And I will tell you right now, this is probably a mud mask that I will continue to purchase. I'm not sure where I have to get it from. I don't know if it's from the actual brand themselves on their website, but I really like it. Some mud masks, I will say, for my dry skin type will sometimes dry me out just a little bit more than others. This mud mask didn't. This has organic matcha green tea, like I had mentioned, lemongrass, and bentonite clay. It's good for detoxing the skin and get rid of impurities from the pores, replenishing the skin. So I do have a little demo here in the corner that shows just me applying it when I first tried it out, and I did use my hands, so I did go in with clean hands, but it is very nice. I love the lemongrass. I think the scent just makes it smell so like clean and nourishing, and I do really like it, even though I look like the Grinch applying it. But it was really nice. I did enjoy. Another product that I used, and I already can tell you that I really noticed a difference, and it's actually a product I have never used before in general, like just this type of product I've never used. This is a lip scrub. This is the pineapple lip scrub, and this is by the brand Bali brand. Yes, Bali brand, and this retails for $23. This has pineapple juice, exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals. So this really made a difference. I do want to continue using lip scrubs, not lip masks. We're done with the masks, but the lip scrubs. I do want to continue using a lip scrub because it does really help out when you have dry, chapped lips. It really just buffs away all this dead skin that just accumulates. So I really did enjoy this. So moving on, I got this Ace Beauty Glow Essential Highlighter Palette. This is by the brand Ace Beauty, and this retails for $40. This has, I believe, 6 shades, if I remember. I did kind of take a peek at it, but I kind of left it alone. I was really excited about the skincare because nothing gets me more excited than makeup itself than skincare. I do really enjoy when I get a mixture of both. So this is what the palette looks like. I did swatch these two in the center because I don't know about you, but these are probably shades I'm not going to be using probably ever, if I'm being honest with you, because they're just really out there for me. This one looks like it's a little bit more for deeper, like maybe medium skin tones. I wouldn't say so deep of a skin tone, but this is more like for medium. This is going to be a little dark for me. So I'm going to grab a Morphe M501 brush. I'm going to mix this one and this one right here, these two center shades. Oop, there's a hair on my brush. I'm going to mix the two right here because this one's just a little bit too light for me. So I did swatch these on my hand when I got the box, and they looked really nice. And I did swatch these when I got the box, and they do have a very nice sheen. They're very, very glowy, if I might say so myself. I'm gonna do my nose, bridge. Let's do the other side. The glow that you see already on my cheeks is from this Watermelon Glow Spray by Glow Recipe. This stuff transforms the look of my skin. Don't let this fool you. My skin is extra dry these days, but definitely makes a difference. And this highlight is really, really pretty. As you can tell, it's very glowy. So this is definitely not for those days that you want a subtle glow. This is when you really want to stand out. But look at that. Really, really pretty. Then next thing in the box, we are going to be opening up, which I already did, and I actually use this for Super Bowl Sunday. I actually use this palette, but this is the Wonder Beauty Wanderess Escape palette, which I love Wonder Beauty. They do sell Wonder Beauty at Sephora. I will say I do not like their mascara. Don't hate on me if you do love the Wonder Beauty mascara, but I do not at all. I like the packaging. It's like a little squeezy tube, but it just doesn't do anything for me. But this palette, by the way, this bad boy costs $42, which is amazing because we're getting it for the whole box is 25 bucks, or actually it went up to $30 a box, $30 a month. But this has hyaluronic acid to help retain moisture in the skin, and has rosehip seed oil and these shadows. So that's pretty crazy to me. But anyways, if you open her up, you do see that I use this palette already. This is weird because it almost looks like I wet the shadow like in the pan, but I mean, it still works great. It still like swatches great, works really, really pretty on the eyes. Look how nice and metallic that is. But I did use that pink shadow for Super Bowl, so that's why it kind of looks like that, which it's just weird, I guess. Just that one's getting like that, because this one I'm swatching it and it's not getting all weird like the mauve one is. But super, super, super vibrant. The mattes are really nice. The only thing I would say is that I did use this one on Super Bowl Sunday, and it's a little bit ashy, I want to say. It's not that it's too light, it's just a little ashy for me. I would wish that it would show up on the eyelid a little more, but it didn't. But that's okay. All the other shadows that I used, which were this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, performed great. But let's do another look using this eyeshadow palette, because I definitely think it's a really, really beautiful palette that I will continue to use because it's so pretty. It's right up my alley, neutrals, and it has pops of color. So let's give it a go. Okay, so I don't think you can really tell, but I did try to use the golden shade right here, and it definitely swatches more gold. I don't know, I feel like you can't really tell. I even brought it into the inner corner, and I don't really see that it looks so gold on the skin. Maybe if I dab it in. Ugh. No, I don't find that it's as golden intense as it looks on the pan. So even though I use these both shades, this one didn't really show up as anything. And then I do like these shades, of course, for the transition to deepen things up. And I really, really want to use this gorgeous blue, but I ain't that bold to put blue with such a beautiful smoky eye, just because I'm not really wearing anything that would really call for blue, even though a beautiful like aqua blue lash line would looked really pretty, thinking about it now. But I will definitely use that blue later on in a tutorial. But yeah, that is it for the eyes. Very golden, if you will. On the lips, I am using the new Shein Take a Hint lip tints. If you're wondering, they kind of just dry down like an oil base. They're not really transfer proof. See how they look kind of like a very subtle pink, but more just like an oil on the lips, and they do leave a nice like hint of flush of color on your lips. I'm actually using the shade Primp. Yeah, P-R-I-M-P. I use this shade, but I picked up two other shades which I love too. This is the shade Memories and Good Habits. Let me know if you guys want to see me use this in a different tutorial. But I really like it because I don't have to do anything or think about my lips, but I still have something going on, like some color. So I do like that. On the face, on my base, I'm using the Radiant Skin Tint by Beauty Blender. Bronzer, the ABH cream bronzer, still one of my faves. And then Jacqueline Cosmetics came out with a cream to powder stick blushes a while ago. So this is a shade Swoon. I have that on my cheeks, and then of course the highlighter from the box. But all in all, I really did enjoy this box. That's it. I have a highlighter palette, the eyeshadow palette, 2 skincare products which I really will continue to use. They were already in my bathroom before filming. And then what else did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the 5th product? Oh, so I guess we do have one more product to discuss. How could I forget? I have the Hydra Setting Spray. This is $26 retail, and this is a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for a flawless dewy finish. I like that word, dewy. So let's give it a go. This is the brand Illamasque Hydra Setting Spray. Am I saying that right? Who knows, but let's look at the spray, the nozzle. Pretty aggressive, but let's just go a little, oh, very aggressive. It's okay. The smell, there is no smell. There really isn't no smell to that. With so much highlight going on my skin, I don't know if I have thoughts on how dewy and radiant it looks on my skin, because I've already got so much dewy products on my skin. But I like it. Don't really like the spray. I don't really like the nozzle on this, but so far so good. I will continue to use it. But that is it for this month's box. This is like close to like a $200 value box, so that is insane. I love this month's box. I really did. I don't know so much about the setting spray, but everything else I really did like. The highlighter is really pretty. I think that I will continue to use it, like if I'm going out for like a special occasion or a date night, whatever. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for those of you that have stuck through the entire video and support me. I really do appreciate it. So I'm happy that you guys did stick around for the entire video. If you guys do want to see something specific from me, please let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what are your current monthly favorites. I also want to know that because I do want to maybe get some new products from Ulta and Sephora, so I'm really excited. I'm actually excited for the Kosa's new liquid foundation. I really want to try that, and I will probably review it here on my channel. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.